2, 1.
Welcome back. And today, more scooters and more Saabs. Here's what we got for the scooter. Look at that fancy unit. Supposedly a racing one, right?
Yeah.
Or, I mean, can't be too race. Look at that diameter.
That's a giant hole.
Can't even fit my thumb in there. But it's a nice unit, looks like it. It was probably a whole, what, whopping 25 bucks off Amazon. Cool, well we're gonna slap this on, see if it does add some performance. What does it go right now? What is the speed right now on it?
Top speed like 35, maxing way out.
35, all right. And it looks like it has some sort of accelerator pump on it or something. Yours doesn't have that right now, so we'll see. Oh, and a new intake plenum too.
Can't forget about that.
One port.
One port.
We're gonna delete all of the emissions on yours too. Like the canister, it has a canister on it, charcoal canister, and it has EGR, so we'll weld that shut. And then we'll be ripping at probably 40 miles an hour.
Yeah! Alright. Let's see what the top speed is. Throttle pinned, barely moving. Oh, it died. Perfect. Top speed of 33. We can fix that.
Okay, so 33, that's a good base. I mean, and if we do it today still, then humidity should be pretty much the same and whatnot. It's a good day for engines. It's nice out. It's not like the last 2 weeks, which it's been, what?
It's a good day for engines.
Yeah, it's a good day
It's a good day for engines everywhere.
It's a good day for engines. Humidity's low, temperature's 80-ish. Performance carburetor, huh?
I think it'll do 40.
I'm gonna guess 40 and a half.
40 and a half? Oh, just over. I might lose on that. New carb in. We don't have the air filter on it.
That's okay.
Filter.
No, that's okay for now. Oh, you got the key.
This should be on the counter.
Is it this funky looking one? Ooh,
Yeah.
Tao Tao.
Tao Tao. Oh, runs nice.
No adjustment.
That was unexpected.
I have a feeling since the choke's on right now probably, once the choke turns off it'll roll.
Sweet. Yes. Sounds nice. What? It definitely wouldn't have done that before.
Yeah. Alright, let's put it the rest of the way together.
Holy crap.
It sounds like it's gonna be fun.
What?
As fun as a 50cc scooter can be.
It's so much faster. It buries the needle now.
Wow, that thing is a whole different.
It's a whole different, I can't believe it's 50.
25 bucks.
25
That
bucks.
happiness.
Double the top speed.
And happiness.
And happiness. Okay, we're gonna try and do a little race. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Holy shnikes. All right.
Damn, that thing.
You want to trade? You want to ride it? All right. Here's keys. Dude, it's so much faster. It's gonna start first try. Oh! Kickstand. It's so much better.
All we had to do was what? Screw in the idle.
Yeah, just barely.
Screw like a quarter turn. What's that? I can't believe that. Woo! Ric Flair like woo! Well, if you guys want your scooter to go faster, all you gotta do is go on Amazon, spend 25 bucks. This one's all done. I didn't do it. Germ did it. He did a good job. This thing rips now. Rips. We'll put the link in the description for this carburetor. If you enjoyed today's content, subscribe and we'll see you next time.